Delano Prekeh Bwoy Wilmot threatens the security forces in social media video.
Yeah man, and me man, Prekeh man, they are send them boy a government right now. See all the government for Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prekeh Bwoy, the most wanted man in Jamaica, has released a video threatening to avenge the death of his friend, Richard Cruz Anderson, who he said was killed by members of the security forces.
John, what you didn't even know them kill my friend, but everything good. Yo, Cruz, you're my friend.
It is unclear when the video was made, or if Prekeh had received help to create it. Cruz was shot and killed and an M16 assault rifle seized from him during a confrontation with lawmen in November of 2018. The police had initially claimed that Prekeh Bwoy, whose given name is Delano Wilmot, was the one who was killed in the incident. The elusive Prekeh Bwoy became a prime target for the security forces after he allegedly spearheaded an ambush on a police military patrol in a section of Cambridge, St. James in 2018, during which 2 soldiers were shot and injured.
Yeah man, we are teach Jamaica. Government and police them say. It's one of the worst wanted man. Them go see card. New thing when get in from 18 a dog. So that thing there, it boom up. One shot boom up station and one shot boom up. Then jump out van or them police car them a drive.
Wilmot, who the police said is responsible for unleashing terror in St. James, escaped a joint police military dragnet in November of 2018 and has been in hiding since.
No, me rolling. Different thing. Them feel like them can't kill me. I'm strongly on my over. 3 times this now they make off and I'm dead. Them not see that. Every time they come for me, one of my charge they drop out. But them strong here that me feed them with rum. Wait him rolling man, a different thing. As me charge it. So kick it in the dog. Cause I come up on the 80 now. I see him to would kick you when you're in Jamaica. Wait till we roll in back man. And government boy there. Man, I slap him and try guard up in yard with be a military soldier. That man I tell him.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.